Hello everyone, I have a Mac Center update for you here. This is just logging into Mac Center and then doing view all tiles so we see all the available tiles. One thing that you'll notice is not in here anymore is the Design Center. That has been moved over into this tile for Megaphone. So Megaphone still does the standard features that it did before, so you can do kind of paid advertising like you would for Google AdWords. So there's a bunch of different things on here to use that for. But what we're going to look at today is the content up at the very top. So this is going to be basically what the Design Center was. So on here, we're going to go to printable content. And then we're going to click one more time up here when this comes up to the content portion. So we're going to go directly to content here. And then this is where your standard Design Center features are going to be. So if we want to do something like a flyer, going to select that. And then it does say order on here. You don't need to pay for these. There are services on here for mailing, delivery, and printing that are some paid services, but you can still do everything for free if you just want to print these out on your own, do your own mailings and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and select this flyer. And then these are the basic features on it. So we're just going to fill out some of the information on here. And then we'll go ahead and go over to the next section here. So this is going to be the photos portion on here. And this is giving you a little bit of a layout to show you on here. There's 5 photos and basically where they're going to go. It's also showing you the dimensions on here. So this is the width and height. So it's expecting that basically on the pixel count on how large your photo is. So on here, I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo. And we're going to take this Remax background as our image. And this is showing it's 1024. This is 1339. So it will give us a little warning on there when we do that. But if we select this, it's now in the first photograph. That's why this little icon is here showing us that it's a little bit smaller. In this case, because it's slightly smaller, it probably won't be a problem, but it's just an indicator that you're not using the appropriate size on there. So you will want to fit those appropriately on there. And then we'll go ahead and continue here. So it is giving us this warning. We're just going to continue anyways, just for the example. And then it's going to give us a preview and a download. Now I haven't really uploaded much of anything, so we have a very blank template. Also, don't worry about the clarity on this at this point. It's just a preview. When you see the actual PDF, the quality will be much better on that. And then from here, you can go directly to download and get a copy of that. When you come back, if we go back to the home page here, there's a cart on here, which will show some of the things that you've added. So that's going to show a couple things that I've added to the cart here. So a couple of the examples and the ones we've just done. And as a secondary section on here for right now, if you don't see it on there, you can also go to My Account and do All Orders. And then this is a list of all the things that have been put in here. So I just wanted to give you that update on basically what's happening with the Design Center. Thank you all very much. We will have some follow-up courses and instruction on this, but that's all for now.